Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to file your taxes on Turbotax step by step. Sign in to Turbotax, select your filing status, and choose the edition that matches your needs. Gather your W-2, Form 1099, and deductible expense records. Follow each guided question and use the import features to save time. Double-check income entries and deductions before moving to review and submit your return confidently and accurately. Begin by collecting all income documents like W-2s and Form 1099, plus bank interest statements. Organize receipts for deductible expenses such as medical bills, charitable gifts, and business costs. Have your prior year return handy for carryovers, PIN, and verification of adjusted figures. Scan or photograph documents to upload quickly, and label files so Turbotax can match them during import to reduce manual entry and speed up your filing. If you find this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep things smelling fresh and sharp between errands. It pairs nicely with a relaxed checklist vibe and small victories like hitting submit. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start entering income using Turbotax import or manual entry for W-2s and 1099. Then add deductions and credits by answering the guided questions. Use help tips and search when a term feels unclear, and confirm dependent and banking details for your refund or payment. Carefully review the summary screens and run the built-in error check. Then choose e-file with direct deposit for the fastest processing, and keep a copy for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.